Hello guys, it's another episode of my cocktails again, and this time we're gonna make the COCOCOOLER. COCOCOOLER actually is really good, especially if you work in beach bar. It's really good because it's really nice, refreshing drinks for summer. We have a lot of we have lots of coconut here in the Philippines, and I have a coconut tree outside my house also. So I just pick one. I just remove the hard part outside so that I can just cut it easy in my knife. So this is the young coconut actually. This all the main ingredients. This is the honey calamansi again, and then gin. It's a Bombay Sapphire, and then the gold. Do you remember the gold drum? It was like almost 3 months now. I just infused with the jackfruit. It's really nice actually. I have shot that really smooth, and especially this one, the cotton candy. It's a manzanitas actually. It's really good. Smells good also. It's like smells like manzanitas. It's like it's been 3 months now. Triple sec, and then we have the garnish with the calamansi also, and then the I got my dog inside, and then the fresh flower. I get lots of flowers outside also in my house. This is the fresh one I just pick outside, and then the umbrella, of course, it's really nice summer drinks, refreshing also. So I'm gonna show you how to cut also. Just cut a little bit. I mean, you should have like sharp knife also. See? This is how you cut. Should have like really nice grip also in your hands, because this is not easy. Huh? So this is how you cut the coconut. If you have like machete also, you can do it. You can do it in your way also. I'm not saying that just do it my way, because we have a lot of way of cutting this coconut also. As long as it looks good, so that's it, right? It's all about presentation. All about presentation. Everything is all about the presentation of your creation also. So now you have to cut it over here. So I have to cut it. So that's the way we cut this coconut anyway. So see the coconut water, like really nice young coconut. Lisod ni mong ito, tagkwarta ba? See? That's how you cut it, right? And you have to remove the water. I'm gonna use this water too, so have to save it. See how much water of this coconut? Lots of water. See, my dog is playing the balls. Actually, he has toys, so he's playing under the table right now. I should advertise this dog too. I have to remove all the water. Here we go. Let me cut a little bit for the garnish. This is how the flower goes over here. It's good. And now let's go to the ingredients. So shaker, and then jigger, an ounce of the gin. It's a Bombay. It's a Bombay gin. And then the infused jackfruit, dark rum. It's really good. Flavor is good too. See, smells really good. Jigger with that too, an ounce. And then the infused manzanitas. Another ounce, so 3 ounces, right? And you're not gonna selling this cheap in the beach actually when you work in the bar, because there's gonna be lots of alcohol also. About 20 ml. And that's it. A jigger with this, an ounce. Exactly an ounce. And then my ice. So scoop of ice in the glass. And we shake it. That's it. We'll put some ice in the inside. If you have like crushed ice at, in the bar, then it's good to use the crushed ice. Then you have like really nice coconut cooler. It can smell, it's really good. This is like almost about like scoop of ice again, and that's it. And if you don't have like fresh coconut at home, or you don't have fresh coconut, a young coconut, you can use the glass, and you can buy it like canned juice. It's gonna be different taste, but that's all you can do. So strain it. And then we have to top with this coconut water. See how much coconut water? That's a trick. That's all about. And then garnish with the Calamansi. See, there's the Calamansi down here. And then the umbrella. It's really nice in the beach. See, look at this. It's so windy. That's why this is what happened. So this really nice summer drinks. And then the flower. This is really fresh flower also. And the final touch, the straw. Here we go. This is your COCOCOOLER. And before we end up this session, actually, please again, don't forget to subscribe and share in my Facebook page and my Instagram. And shout out to those who subscribe me. Actually, thank you so much for your subscription. And please continue watching because there's a lot of things going on. And I thank you so much. Have a good weekend.